is my property, and you are trespassing on my land. Come on, who's in there? It's one of those idiot boys from the school, is it, eh? Come on, let's play. Well, how did you... No! No! Help me! Help me!
Concentrate. Hutchinson, excellent work.
Ceasefire!
Good day to you, Headmaster.
Your crew's on fine form today, Mr. Smith.
Excuse me, Headmaster, we could do a lot better. Latimer's being deliberately shoddy.
I'm trying my best.
You need to be better than the best. Those targets are tribesmen from the Dark Continent.
That's exactly the problem, sir. They only have spears.
Oh, dear me. Latimer takes it upon himself to make us realize how wrong we all are. I hope, Latimer, that one day you may have a just and proper war in which to prove yourself. Now, resume firing.
One minute past the hour. It's now. Hutchinson, this is the time. It's now.
Stop it. Immediate action. Didn't I tell you, sir, the stupid boy's useless? Permission to give Latimer a beating, sir.
Your class, Mr. Smith.
Permission granted.
Right. Come with me, you little oik.
Anything the matter, Baines?
I thought